How to turn on or turn off tracking autofocus for camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on the camera app. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Then in the camera settings page, scroll down to the general section and tap on tracking autofocus. Now when you turn this on, it said that keep the rear camera focus on the selected subject even if they move. Now if you happen to turn on the HDR10 Plus videos, so this one here will optimize the color and contrast of your videos, then you can see that tracking autofocus will be disabled. So in order for you to use tracking autofocus, make sure you turn off HDR10 Plus videos. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.